Yeah, just jumping his ass. That's what happens when you get in the middle of my fucking clique, nigga.
Keep my hands in my pockets, my words on myself, and just keep this shit moving. The world can just do it.
Whole lot of gang shit.
Whole lot of gang shit, bro. Whole lot of gang. You didn't stop the video. Your attempt failed. Bro, you got anything to say? What is that? What? Dan,
Snap, bro.
you got anything to say, bro?
Check your snap.
She said no.
Like he's not gonna have anything to say. Anything to say what? Like, what's the question?
Anything of life.
Y'all stupid.
Yeah, she just disrespected the YouTubers.
Oh, this is YouTube?
Yes.
What do you want me to say?
Anything. You got
Something
anything
nice?
to say? Like,
No,
first,
I got one.
Okay, no, it's this way, bro. It's this
She
way.
needs a boyfriend right away. Please call Kayla 10800.
My phone just
No.
died, bro.
Bro.
They need to be a Christian and they need to.
They need to be Christian. See, like, look, when I say,
Bible on the
Yo, my phone just fucking died, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. Like,
No one
why?
gives a fuck.
This is how it works.
Go away.
First
Andrew,
world problems, boo hoo.
Andrew, you got anything to say to the camp?
Who is this bitch, bro?
I have a love-hate relationship. It's really confusing.
No, these are just some vlogs
What
of
is
Vending.
this?
Friends stripping in class. Danny pulled up his shirt, bro. Bro was stripping in class.
Danny, are you for real?
Exactly. Like legit, it'd be like the two brothers are fighting over the king's title. Like that's exactly how it'd be. Look at these Jit. Jit look like he in a damn anime fighting game on character select, bitch. Jit.
Honestly, you look so fucking retarded. Go kill yourself.
Hey, don't do that.
You wear a fucking sweater, bro. Get
Oh, he roasted Jit.
Nigga.
At least he's wearing banana republic, man.
But wait, that's my fucking sweater.
Oh!
What the fuck? Nigga, is that my tank top too?
Oh! George!
Sorry.
George, you gotta calm down, man. You gotta calm down, man.
Oh, I forgot to pull out, bitch.
That's it? That's it,
It's about to go down.
Lot with exposing people like that, bro. You know this going on YouTube, right? Everybody gonna remember Sammy for wearing your clothes. Sammy.
What's going on up here?
YouTube?
YouTube, what are we YouTubing?
What's wrong? What's wrong, Andrew?
You made my shit wet, man.
Your paper's wet.
It's fucking soaked.
Danny, what'd you do?
Hey man,
I'm gonna get you.
hey man, let me take it right here. Let me take it right here.
What you gonna tell me? What you gonna tell me?
Bitches ain't shit.
Oh.
Hoes suck dick.
Oh.
Niggas, they got the little dicks.
They got the what?
The little dicks.
The
You know what I'm saying?
Talking about black people.
I ain't a nigga.
So what the fuck are you?
I am a being.
Oh, so this nigga say he's an alien. He's single, ladies.
And let's see what we can do in about 5-6 minutes, okay?
Yeah.
Wait. No, I'm not.
Chief Keef, do you want to be in our vlog?
No, I want you to do the graph at the bottom.
Is that a no?
Yes.
It's just we don't know what goes in the space.
That's fine.
She gave us a signal. She said, no.
No. Doing it. Blow her a kiss, bro.
No, bro, that's sexual harassment.
Amira.
We don't respect. I'm just kidding. Let me stop.
We're out
What?
here respecting women.
Beautiful.
She's not with the shits, bro. This man said, Where we going, bro? You didn't know the whole table's gone, though, bro.
Yes, but that's the whole point.
This better be the damn thumbnail.
Watch, you know?
This needs to be the thumbnail. This is a good thumbnail.
I got no belt.
I didn't need all that. Look at this. We're walking through the doors. These are the cells. The cells are, oh shit, that was an administrator.
So block free.
So alright, so we're going to the other side of the prison now. The kid that was here, bro, he was right by these bars and he was just like, just screaming. Like he was just doing that. I was like, bro, what's wrong with this dude, bro? You ready? No, fuck those. No. I know, I saw all them kids. Here in prison. They playing prison ball. Let me get these niggas over here. Oh, this is a nice shot. It's a beautiful shot, damn. I'm sorry, I kind of went camera mode.
About to go to the vending machine.
Yeah, bro.
Get some snacks.
About to get some snacks, bro. Oh, that's a fucking cop. Oh, no, it's not. I can't see. Well, show this vending machine what's good.
There's hella snacks in here.
Show them the racks, bro. Show them the racks.
Bro, I don't got racks like that. I can't be showing people.
Bro, that shit better not take it.
Bro, it won't even
It's not even on.
Bro, it's not even plugged in.
Oh, there.
Man. Yo, someone chopped the wire. Dude, you cut me fucked up.
Yo, this school's fucking broken. Yo, what? Dude, they're wildin'.
Bro, what the fuck?
I didn't even know that.
Bro, what the fuck? I'm trying to get some snacks.
Yeah, bro.
I'm so hungry.
Leave it alone, man. It's not worth it, bro. It's not worth it. Well, fuck it. Well, vending machine was a fail. That was a huge.
Oh, you want to go to
fail.
the other one?
For a drink?
I'm not thirsty, but I feel like we're already on the adventure.
So might as well.
Yeah.
I feel you on that. We're gonna, bro, we better not take your fucking.
Or I could save my money and just get a 4 for 4 at Wendy's.
Yo, I want a 4 for 4. Bro, you know what they need to do again?
What?
You remember when Uber Eats just came out? People were getting Uber Eats to the school. I would definitely call Uber
Bro, I
Eats.
want some
and get 4
Uber
for 4.
Eats right now.
I'm telling you, a 4 for 4 right now would be banging.
Oh, that shit would be buzz.
Banging right now, boy.
Them chicken nuggets are so...
Dude, they're fire with the sauce too. The sauce be fire.
And the fries.
Bro, I think, bro. Okay, wait, hold on, pause. Andrew, look at the camera. Andrew, do it.
You got changed $5.
He's looking at him like that. Wait, look at him one more time. Wait, look at him. Andrew. I know y'all ain't even used to see my hair up like this, but it's the morning time and this is messy bun cow, so yeah, but this is the end of this. Hold on.
50 in there? I'm 50.
Gosh, I'm dread. Anyways, this is the end of this vlog, as you know what I'm saying. I'm about to eat some waffles. Shit. Do me a favor, like, subscribe, comment, do all that. Tell your friends, all my BAKEDPACK members, and Alex, spread the video. Even my subscribers, spread the video. I need to get to 10,000 views by March. It took me a year to get 5,000. I'm over here thinking I can get 5,000 more in like a month. I hope I can. I really do. I kind of don't see it, but I do. Like I get blessed or something, but I could probably just be saying some dumb shit. So. But yeah, like, subscribe, comment, do all that. Let me know what y'all thought. And what? Yeah.